Hey everybody, it's Jesse Tampa here at Thompson's Auto Parts in Ruskin, Florida. I'm here because, well, there's a lot of nice old school type antique cars here. Ven para acá, mami. You got this Studebaker with a gold paint job. You got here a nice classic with an Edelbrock engine. Check this out, so you know I'm not lying. This is an engine so beautiful you can take a picture of it and make it your desktop onto your computer, and all your friends will be jealous. Over here we got a very nice light baby blue type of convertible. That's a thing of beauty right there. And then on this side over here we got a couple more antique classic cars. Mami, también hay dos carros acá. Digo, tres.
This one?
How you doing? Here we got a Mercury. This is my favorite right here. This red El Camino. Oh man. It's like candy apple red almost if you see it in person. Now that's like a candy paint. They talk about it in Houston, Texas. The paint is so wet and so candy looking. It looks like it's dripping off the side of your car. It looks like a fresh paint job. And look at the wheels with the white wall insides. This is classy right here. And you got these Chevy symbols on the rims, or hubcaps if you want to call them that, and the El Camino sign right there next to it. Now this ain't no car you would want to crack an egg open and fry on. This thing is a beautiful thing. You know, it's a great street machine. I love it. I'm gonna take some more photos here. And this has been a Jesse Tampa production. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy them all.